Hi everyone, wanted to take a look at this really neat artifact with you guys. You can see the polished nose on this character. Might be like an animalmorphic or half human, half bird character. On the other side, it's a really nice bird. I'm going to show you that real quick before we get started. You can see how the black on the whole side of this is coating this stone, which is common in these artifacts. And you guys can see this giant statue of a bird head here. So what's neat about this art, as many of you guys know if you're watching, is that it's not just one thing. So we're going to go ahead and look at the human images that are also on this, painted in characters. There's several, and I'm going to kind of dive into this with you a little bit and show you how, well, attempt to show you how far the art kind of goes. So you may be able to notice just on the ends here little painted in characters, images, just like a cave painting. That's what these are. Kind of hard to recognize ancient art sometimes, but you're going to start to see these little characters kind of painted in with the markings here, little ghostly characters. And this whole edge, you can see all the other little notches and things in here. These are all little faces, and who knows if it's generations of people, but just different characters. You can see how the different levels of the stones are showing different characters, this being the neck of the character in white here. You can get pretty deep into these guys, so I don't want to go too far into it, but here's a little tucked in version with a little nose, eye, and mouth. And you guys can see this, well, you might be able to see the bird or different bird. So here's one right here in the white with the pointed beak and the eyes kind of carved in right here. You can see just the bird head with the orange stripe down it. And if you look further down, you can see how the bird's tail and the back of the bird comes back down there. And when you look at it like this, you can see more of the bird, the back of it there. It comes to life a little better. And of course, the whole thing kind of looks like a bird facing to the left. Bird, bird, bird. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look at it like this. It's a very nice piece. You can see all the carvings and etchings in here. See how these rows are done? All these are silhouettes, people. Every single notch and every color, every zigzag that you see. So on this side, of course, we have our big bird head. And when you look at it from far away, you might be able to see it a little better. I like the ones like this, where it's almost as if it's the only thing on the stone. You can see another circle here. It's for another eye, for maybe a different type of bird, or a bird in a different way. So when we tilt the stone, this may try to represent Birdman, where he's the man with the big nose. Of course, we see this depiction of a bird here. And you can see that there's going to be a face facing to the right here. So if you look closely at the paint lines, the circles and things, you'll be able to notice the markings there, even the lines coming out of the eye. So see how it almost looks like a comet. You see how the circle is there, and then you have these come back there. So really interesting, huh? Neat designs. Alienish. All right. Well, that was fun. Thanks for checking this one out with me. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.